All right, now to the rebound, Milwaukee, and making ends meet. The financial pain of COVID-19 hasn't let up, with many fearing that they can't keep a roof over their head.
In tonight's Rebound story, Kristen Burns spoke with a foreclosure prevention counselor who has advice for anyone in a tough spot.
With that extra $600 weekly federal unemployment pay ending a little more than a week ago, many families are finding themselves in desperate need of financial help, making that monthly mortgage payment seems impossible.
Since the start of the pandemic, mortgage companies have been fielding a large volume of calls from homeowners who need help. Emmett Gross with the nonprofit Housing Resources says this is all new territory for a lot of people.
I get a lot of people, they've made their mortgage payment their whole life, and this is the first time they missed a mortgage payment, and, they're afraid they're going to get kicked out of their house by the end of the month.
As a foreclosure prevention counselor, Gross helps homeowners who understand that is not the case. He encourages homeowners to first call your lender and ask about your options, one of which could be setting up a forbearance plan where you suspend or reduce your mortgage payments. According to a recent report from the Mortgage Bankers Association, as of June 21st, there are an estimated 4.2 million mortgages in forbearance.
Those forbearances are just designed to buy time. They don't by themselves solve the situation.
Meaning you will eventually have to make those payments. Putting a pause, though, buys you time to figure it out, and Housing Resources can walk you through what you need. Gross says start gathering common documents mortgage companies will want, like income documentation for the last 30 days, bank statements for the last 30 to 60 days, and tax returns for the last 2 years.
Getting that paperwork together and getting it off to the mortgage company, that's like 90% of the work.
And remember, if you have a federally backed mortgage through Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, under the CARES Act, your lender can't foreclose on you until at least August 31st. Here's your rebound rundown. If you can't make your mortgage payment, call your lender and ask about your options, including forbearance. Start gathering bank and tax documents to speed up the process. And for free foreclosure prevention counseling, reach out to nonprofit Housing Resources at 414-461-6330. For the Rebound Milwaukee, I'm Kristen Byrne.